Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do so, first we need to go to the settings, then over here we want to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then scroll down and go to more security settings, and then at the top choose secure folder. You'll see this welcome message where you need to press continue. Then you need to confirm that you want to grant permissions for secure folders. We'll press continue, and now we need to wait like a couple of minutes or maybe up to a minute in order to let the device create the secure folder. Once we set it up, we can choose the lock type for the secure folder. We can choose PIN, password, and pattern. We can also enable fingerprints, and we can also have the option to reset with the Samsung account. So let me actually set up the PIN, and then of course we need to set the PIN code. Let's press OK. I'm gonna set up the simple one. Press OK. Then we have the option to turn on reset with Samsung. I'm not gonna do that. And there we go. Now we can press next. And here we have the secure folder, which works pretty much like a dual app option. If we do something, if we store something in the secure folder, then it will stay only over here. So if I go to my files in the secure folder, nothing will be found over here. And if I open my files normally, then of course everything will be still there. In order to add more apps, then we need to press this plus button, and then here we have more of them. We can select them and then add them here. You can also tap on these three dots in order to find more options. And like I said, everything we do in the secure folder is like a separate instance, and it will not affect the apps that are not in the secure folder. And it doesn't mean also that the apps are missing in the app drawer, for instance, because as you can see, I have the gallery, I have my files app, I have everything. The difference is that whatever I have over here in the gallery is not in the gallery that is in the secure folder. So as you can see, this one is empty. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.